I'm gonna stick this up your ass.
Oh,
Now start moving it. She mentions up the mine shaft.
we have to pick up Kenrick on the way. He kind of threw Kenrick.
You brought Kenrick along?
Yeah, but he's kind of
Yeah,
passed out right now, drunk.
he was drinking with me first. Now he's in the dirt.
Yeah.
Those young guild boys always like to drink. It's okay, I'll wake him up for you.
Oh,
She
please do.
trudges on up the mine.
Please do.
Yeah, she comes up on Kenrick just ahead of you guys. She says, "Watch this. Me mother showed me this. It's a special nerve only dwarves have. Hurts like hell, but wake up anyone out of a slumber." She reaches like under his arm, somewhere around his ribs, and jabs her finger in, and Kenrick wakes up howling.
Oh,
That's what you get for day drinking.
it was just one.
It ain't a day if you ain't drinking.
Well, if you have something to talk to me about, you better get up out of this mine before I put this young dwarf to work.
Put him
Yep,
to work.
yep.
He'll stop
Getting
drinking.
in the way. I'd
I'm
like
gonna
to
wheel
correct
him.
Solar.
I'm gonna wheel that almost empty bottom. Like I had 3 more shots, buddy.
Soon.
Can I
Soon,
try to
after I talk to Manny.
snatch it out of his hand?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Take it.
Okay. I
The
snatch
moment
it out
you
of his
take it
hand.
from me, I pull out another one. It's full.
Oh, I'm gonna strangle this fucking orc.
Manistrad turns to Laura and says, "Like my mom always said, the only thing dumber than a drunkard is a sober drunkard who's not used to being sober.
Mm.
Just does something to their head. I'm not sure what, but I've seen
I'll sigh
sober
and
drunks
just
make worse decisions."
I'll sigh and just hand him back the frickin' flask. Here, you dumb oaf.
I'll take it and another round of shots.
No.
Down for what?
What are you
No.
drinking?
I've
Roll
seriously drank
Constitution.
this time too.
Oh. He fucking
Roll 2d10s.
Ooh.
How many drinks did I have?
Like
Fifth
5.
drink of the
You're
day. Let's
passed.
go.
You're passed. So got a 5 and a 2. Oh, for this shit again?
Please tell me I fall over asleep.
You start to pick a fight with one of your party members.
Can I punch Kenrick in the face?
No.
You what? Who are you trying to kick?
Unarmed strike Kenrick.
Henry?
At 25.
You are pissed off for whatever reason and drunk and decide to take a swing at Kenrick. Your fist is flying clear. You expect impact in just any moment. It's going to be good. It's going to be glorious. Kenrick's not even really looking at your way. It's going to come out of nowhere. And you trip, falling, knocking your head on a rather large stone on the side of the path.
You just didn't want me fucking destroying him again with a punch, did you?
No, it's the other effect. I made you roll double effects.
Oh, perfect.
Because you nat one your constitution. You take 6 bludgeoning damage from the stone and fall unconscious for 8 hours straight.
Oh, for fuck's sake! How are we gonna get him out now?
I know, I'm the biggest one. I'm the one who carries people.
Manistrad just like shakes her head. She's like, you know what? some of the workers will probably throw him onto a cart when they come by and bring him up.
Yeah, let's
I-
just
my-
we will just leave him here. Leave him here.
Hey, I just want to point out I finished a bottle.
Can I dig through his pockets and pull out any flasks I find?
Oh, don't do that. That's just mean.
Go steal from a party member.
Yeah.
Too
Don't do
bad.
that.
I'm
It's
doing
an
it.
But if
it's
you-
not stealing, it's an intervention.
But
It's
if
there we
you do,
go.
here, I can hold it in my bag of holding. And I open
No, I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Yeah.
Can I
thing
do
you
that?
know, you're holding flasks, and yeah, roll investigation.
Investigation.
If they're deep in there, trust me, you won't find
Sin-
them all.
If it's in a bag of holding, he could have a keg of beer in his bag of holding.
Pretty
I
sure.
don't have a bag of holding, but trust me,
No,
it's definitely somewhere in this
Kenrick
bag.
was. Sam said that
You
he
ain't
could.
finding all my glasses. That's all I'm saying. You're gonna have a hard time finding all my flasks.
You
I have a
find
flask in there just in case of prison.
you
I'm not digging up your ass.
You ain't getting them all.
you do not have a flask up your ass, okay?
That's what you think.
You find everything on his person. Next thing you know, you're holding enough liquor to stock a bar for an evening.
Oh my god.
There is unfortunately an excruciating decision you're going to have to make. As you're searching him, you notice that even though he's an orc, he's a little too well endowed down there. There's gotta be a bottle in his shorts.
Oh
Are you
my.
taking it out?
No!
Oh boy.
I am not touching that! I am
There's a
not
bottle in my house,
touching
but
it!
there ain't one in my shorts. I'm just saying this right now. It's up my ass. It ain't in the flask.
Well, maybe you farted too hard. You know, it came out on
I
the wall.
rolled for the size of my dick at the beginning of this campaign, and you know how big it is.
I do not remember. That's not
12
detail.
inches, sir. 12 inches.
Oh my god.
How many times did you re-roll it?
Once.
I thought that was like
I literally rolled it once. He rolled it for me last campaign, so at the beginning of this campaign, I was like, rolling my dick size again, just to fuck with Danny.
Kenrick,
Anyhow.
would you like to investigate that?
No, but I'm sure my homunculus could go in there.
Okay, there you go. Go do it.
That little bastard didn't touch my touch me.
You have a little you have
My little metal bird.
a little
flying
metal mechanical bird in your pants.
Starts nosing around and biting, trying to find
Hey, if he's biting, he's gonna have a mouthful. That's all I'm saying.
Oh.
Ew.
Eventually, Monkless is able to push a very sweaty bottle out of his shorts. I don't know if you guys leave it there or what, but
Yeah, I'm not
It's
touching
definitely
that.
very
Yeah, I'm
sweaty.
not
It's in my
touching
ass.
that. I'm.
I'd like to like pour some flask on a linen cloth. Pour some water on a linen cloth and be like, homunculus, use this to clean yourself. Leave that bottle over there.
Just forget about that.
Also, my
oh,
homunculus is now named Pete.
I like that.
Jesus.
I am
Yes, you get
going
touched by Pete.
to. I am going to struggle pulling out a cloth and then wrapping said cloth around said flask.
Around what?
Flask.
Around the flask. And just be like, yeah, I'm going to burn this later.
We have a forge on site to do minor repairs to stuff if you want to incinerate that.
Oh, yes, please.
And as you look over, Manistrad is uncorking a flask of her own and taking a swig.
Oh, so she's allowed to drink, but I'm not allowed to drink. I see how it is. That's racism.
I'd like to pull out my own flask. Cheers her and take a quick swig.
Oh, so it's fine if
Can
you're
I
alcohol.
can I borrow?
She gives Kenrick a stern stare and says, "Normally I'm against this kind of thing, but after seeing some things, you just need a drink."
Can I turn to Kenrick and very sweetly be like, "Can I borrow your bag of holding just for a couple of hours?"
I have a lot of stuff in there.
So,
I can store stuff in there, but I don't think I can give it off my person.
damn. You gotta act the opposite of your character. Don't be shy and timid and be bold. Oh, fuck you, Meg!
Let's go!
Fuck!
Hand up there.
Fuck!
Hey, at least I did it after.
Yeah, I'm glad you just did it after.
Let's It'll just leave me there. You know you have a very angry child.
You know what? Here, hold these. She says, and just hands it to him.
Thank you. And I just open the black hole that is the holding pouch and just like suck it all up.
Do not drink any of that.
Angry if someone steals all my.
Huh?
I'm just saying, you're digging your own grave on this.
Well,
I'll
I'm
turn
a
to
busy
Manstrat.
dwarf, so.
I'll turn to Manstrat and say, also, you think it was bad for you. I see everything he does. And then I'll just start walking towards the tent. And then I'll turn around and say, wait, which way's out?
I point in the direction of out that way. And then I'll turn to Manistrad and I'll be like, "So, where's this forge?"
It's just a couple feet off the
Don't
tent,
tear up that one.
from
It's
the little
special to me.
hollow in the hole blocked from the wind.
Okay.
Show this that one. It's
Thank you.
special to me.
That's that you had it specially made to fit up there.
Yes.
Well, it's getting burnt.
It's also extra strength.
It's getting burnt.
But it's extra strength.
It's getting burnt.
You're a heathen. God.
Yeah,